Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel MineCodeX, and today we are going to learn about data analysis with Python. Okay, let's start the video. So these are the topics today we will cover: introduction to Python libraries for data analysis, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, reading and writing data files, data manipulation and visualization. Okay. First is introduction to Python libraries. The process of using the Python language and its libraries to extract insight and knowledge from data, which involves several stages including data collection, data cleaning and processing, data analysis and visualization, etc. It means Python libraries are used to cleaning the data, processing the data and analyzing the data. Okay, so here some of the libraries: Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, SciPy and many more. Reading and writing data files. Read the content of the file demofile.txt. This is the syntax by which we can read any file of .txt. Open the file with A for appending and then add some text to the file. F equals to open. These are the syntax through which we can append our text. Okay, next. Open and read the file after appending. F equals to open, syntax print f.read. It means through this we can open our text file and read the file. Data manipulation and visualization. Data manipulation and visualization are two important aspects of data analysis. It can be done by the use of Python libraries. Here I included one, that is Pandas. Now Pandas, a library that provides powerful data structures and tools for data analysis and manipulations, and also provides many more functions, that is data exploration and cleaning data, data analysis and data visualization. Pandas is a library through which we can explore the data, clean the data, analyze the data and visualize the data as per our needs. Okay, thanks for today. This is for today. Thanks for watching. I hope this video help you. Keep learning and keep smiling.